1.
The first chapter of my summer science project is on trees. I scientifically discovered 17 varieties of trees in Tenney Park. This is how I did it. First, for each tree, I took 3 pictures. One of the bark, one of the leaves, and one of the canopy. I also took samples of the leaves to take home and press. Many of these dried leaves were included in my book. Next, I used my photos and guidebooks from the library to identify each type of tree. Finally, I researched and wrote about each species. In this video, I will present my findings. I will reveal each type of tree I found, along with interesting facts. The river birch. Did you know that the river birch loves wet soil, so we plant it along lakes and rivers for erosion control? The European alder. Did you know that its Latin name is Alnus agglutinosa, which means a gummy or gluey, describing its young twigs and leaves? The Natal oak. Did you know that the Natal oak was unknown until Thomas Natal discovered it in 1927? The black locust. Did you know that the Native Americans used the wood of the black locust to make bows, and the first colonists used the wood to build their houses? Very amazing. The crack willow. Did you know that the crack willow got its name because its twigs crack off easily? In fact, if you cover a twig with just a tiny bit of soil, it will form roots and grow into a new tree. The colonists brought this tree from Europe because they used it to make charcoal for gunpowder. The white mulberry. Did you know that the white mulberry is from China? They use it to make silk. Its leaves are the main food of silkworms. The green ash. Did you know that during the fall, the green ash turns a gorgeous bright yellow? The bur oak. Did you know that the bur oak's big, hairy acorns are the largest in North America? The box elder tree. Did you know that the Native Americans make sugar for the box elder tree's sap? The swamp white oak. Did you know that the swamp white oak has very interesting leaves? On one side, they are green and shiny, but on the other side, they are white and fuzzy. The mountain maple. Did you know that the mountain maple is an animal magnet? Rabbits, beavers, deer, and moose all love to nibble its bark. The paper birch. Did you know that the paper birch is used to make tons of products like popsicle sticks, toothpicks, clothespins, broom handles, fistfuls, and toys? The American basswood. Did you know that the Native Americans used the American basswood's bark to make rope and weave mats? Today, we use the wood to make rulers. The white basswood. Did you know that the white basswood has nicknames like the bee tree? This is because the honeybees that visit its flowers make the best honey in the world. Prairie crabapple. And did you know that this tree was planted for its beauty in the spring? It is covered with white and pink flowers. The tamarack. Did you know that even though the tamarack has needles and cones, it is a deciduous tree? Its needles fall off in the winter. Also, very few trees grow as far north of the tamarack. The water hickory. The water hickory. Did you know that the water hickory is the tallest tree in the world? It grows walnuts that are too bitter for us, but the ducks just love them. I hope you've enjoyed my preview, my presentation of the trees of Tenney Park. Bye!